Good morning, everybody. Today I will be discussing about some multi-baggers to make wealth. This is investment, not trading. And today is July 2nd, 2023. You can make a note of the date. And today I will be giving you some multi-baggers which will help you to make a very good investment, and you can convert 2 lakhs to 50 lakhs, and the time duration and the things to be done after you buy this trade will be discussed at the end of the session or during the session. So watch the video carefully and make sure you don't skip any part of the video. So the first stock I'm going to talk about to create wealth at this point in time is Sucksoft. This is a small cap, micro cap stock, and I made a recommendation around 200 rupees. This point here, this is a daily chart, so you can see. Okay, I don't know how to change the color. So we made a recommendation around 200 rupees around 45 days back, probably 40 or 45 days back, around 200 rupees, and now the stock is around 300. It touched 340 and came down to 280. So even if you are trading at the lower end, the stock is given you 80% returns. Sorry, 80 rupees returns. 80 rupees on one stock, one equity. So this is how the stock is moving on a weekly basis. This is not a daily chart. I'll go to the daily chart. This is the daily chart. What you were seeing earlier was the chart. This is monthly chart. So we made a recommendation around 200 rupees here, and the stock started moving from 80 rupees. But we had some consensus that it could come down because of lack of orders and something else, but the stock went very good. They have got sufficient orders on the order book, and every time they make a return, they file their returns, they are in profit and profit after tax, and the PE ratio is very good, and the promoter's stake is also very good. So you want to make a point of this stock. This is a multi-bagger stock, and this has been listed around 4-5 years back, 2006, but it has started making movement from 2020. So now it is moving very aggressively. It is making very new highs every month. Every month it is making new highs, and the target for this is immediate target for this is 500 rupees. Immediate target for this is 500 rupees, and there could be a dip, a little bit of dip. That dip is not any correction or something, it is profit booking. So some people will book profits. So it is going to give maximum returns. I will show you the returns on So it is locking on an upper circuit every day. Most of the times it is locking on the upper circuit, and most of the times it is locking on the lower circuit. But maximum number of times it is locking on the upper circuit. See, this is the 1 month return, 260 to 320, 330, 260 to 320, and still it is trading at 310. So the 6 months profit is from 122 to 330. So what I want to tell you is the trading is different and the investment is different. Some wealth creators are always investors. The percentage of wealth creators in intraday trading and traders and investors is significantly bigger. The people who make profit in by investing is more, whereas the people who make profit by trading is less. Like 10% of the people make profit in intraday trading or trading, whereas around more than 50% of the people make profit while investing in key stocks and microcaps are always known to be wealth creators. Most of the time, if you like invest in the right stock, they will be wealth creators. See, 80 rupees, 122 rupees, even if you put it at 120 rupees, today the stock is trading at 150% more than what you invested 6 months back. So if you had invested 1 lakh rupees, it would have become 2.5 lakh rupees in just 6 months. That is the way these stocks perform. Year to date is also the same, but we had recommended at 200. 1 year return is around 236. A 5 year return is around 1400%. So you see the difference from 10 rupees, from 20 rupees it has gone to 300 rupees in a maximum time limit of 5 years. So investing for a long period of time will give you huge returns. However, the percentage of investment on your capital should be around 5 to 7% in this stock. If you have around 1 lakh rupees, the amount to be invested in this stock is around 7 to 8,000 rupees or maximum 10,000 rupees. I don't recommend 10,000 rupees also. 8% is 7.5% to 8% is what I recommend for this, because we cannot put all the investment in one basket. So going into the valuation is very expensive, as you see, and the key factors like the P ratio, EBIT, EBITDA, all are in excellent, but the valuation is slightly expensive than the fair valuation. Fair valuation is around, the stock should be trading around 200 rupees to be a fair valuation, but the stock is trading now at 300 rupees. So it is very expensive. The stock will go up aggressively. These are like high beta stocks, but sometimes they never stop and they never come back. See, when it touches 900 or 1000 rupees, you cannot expect the stock to come back to 500 rupees. It will not come. So this is the kind of stock we have picked, and they are consistently performing quarter on quarter, and the financial trend is excellent, and all the key parameters of the financial trend is also good. And after this, we are going to discuss one more stock. See, the Sucksoft is a software company where they are doing excellent software jobs for big clients. For large cap stocks or large cap companies, they are doing jobs for large cap companies. So the earnings is also around 29%, and the price is around 283, 1 year change, so 283%. So the stock is very good but slightly expensive. One thing you have to remember, all good stocks are expensive. They won't come at a cheaper price. Only when there is a big correction they might tumble, and they recover very fast, just like they fell down. So when you cover the stocks or when you sell the stocks, you remember that you might not get it at the same price. These are not like large cap stocks where the large cap stocks usually stay in the same range for a quite longer time. Say for example, Reliance was in one particular trend for 9 years before 2020 or 21. So uh, it is like that. But this is a very strong company which is performing, and the trend is reversed now, and it is touching the highs, and I think it will never look down again. But however, for better understanding, you can consult your SEBI certified advisor. I am not an SEBI certified advisor. I am just sharing my insights and about the management of the stocks, how much you have to buy, how when you have to cover it, and when you have to rebuy, and when you have to change the stock instead of soft, what else have to you to buy. All that has to be discussed, and for that discussion you need to message me on WhatsApp at 97423175575, and that is mentioned in the description. So I'm going to one more company. These are all multi-baggers which I am giving you for free, and for more information on this you need to WhatsApp me. This stocks will help to create wealth. Like you can invest 2 lakh rupees and you can convert that to 50 lakh rupees in a certain period of time. What is the period of time? It should be close to 3 years or more. I am not sure that it will give you 50 lakhs in 3 years, but in 5 years for sure it is going to give. But these two stocks alone, Dreamflow Services is always also another software company where this is a new startup, and this is just 1 year old. November 22, somewhere it was listed in 22, and now the stock is trading at 51%. It was listed somewhere around 350, I think 350 or 420, 430, and now it is trading at 50% higher the price. That is 51%. That is the trading price is around 650 rupees. Again, this is an expensive stock currently because they are doing good. Every stock which is performing well will be expensive. So kindly remember this, that only these two stocks will not help you out. You have to invest around 2 lakh rupees, and the rest of the stocks for what I suggest, you should WhatsApp me to get to know that, because I can't tell you all those things on this small video. This is one more amazing stock, multibagger stock, and this is just started around 1 year back, and this is giving around 50% returns currently. And the next stop for this stock is around 800 rupees. So within a month or so, it should be crossing 800 rupees. Now it is 650, and the trend is very strong. Looking at the trend, I don't see a stop until 1200. It is going to rally, and if you exit the stock, probably you will not be able to buy it back at the same price. However, there are dips on some days, but you cannot keep watching the dips every day. This is a weekly. See how the stock has performed. This many number of weeks only has happened, not even 52 weeks. So the stock is on a higher trend now. All the trend factors price action, everything is excellent, and the stock is doing excellent sales and profit on books, cash on books, profit on tax, everything is good. The EBIT is good, EBITDA is good, and the factors, the promotional holdings is good. On institutional investors are holding 12%, FIs are holding 11%, and other domestic investors are holding 2%, and promoters are holding 67%, which is very important. Promoters are not pledging any shares, and they are into very good financial position. The financial trend is excellent, and they have made excellent profit in what you say, quarterly sales, yeah, annual sales, everything. So quarter on quarter they are performing very well, but the only thing is it is expensive. As I told you, good stocks come with a price, they don't come at a lower price. So if you have to make wealth, you have to create in consistently performing small caps or micro caps, which can become large caps, and these are growing very aggressively and very fast, and they are altogether doing a different kind of business in software. So they are also using artificial intelligence and other things. So the dream flocks are excellent software people who can create wealth for us. These are the two stocks which I can tell you now, and for you have to have another 10 or 15 stocks altogether in your portfolio which can create wealth. They are wealth creating portfolios. So if you put around 2 lakhs or 3 lakhs from say today, by the end of 2025, 6 or 27, you should be seeing around 35 to 40 lakhs. And to reach your goal of 50 lakhs in 3 years or 4 years, you have to manage your portfolio correctly. That is, you have to buy stocks at the appropriate time and sell it at the appropriate time. Most of the people lose money because they don't know when to sell and when to buy it. So that is the key now, and in case you need help for that, you can contact me, and again that is at a price, and we can discuss all that fees later. But also I want to tell you that I am going live from tomorrow again, after some issues were fixed on live stream. I had some audio issues and video issues, so hope that will be uh, not there, not existing from tomorrow. And I've been striving consistently to uh, give my insights on YouTube live, and make things better for traders. These two stocks, remember, these are the golden stocks, and these are not uh, ordinary stocks. These are something like a black pearl or a hidden gems as kind of category they fall into. And these are excellent stocks we should never forget, and you should have compulsorily in your portfolio. Don't ever think of selling these stocks, because these are wealth creators and they always create wealth. Look at the correction, what how much has happened. It went from 373 sucks dream flows 373 to 634, and came down to 543, around 80 rupees it is fall, and again it hit the new high, and that is what is going to happen with this kind of stocks. Small percentage will come down, and immediately there will be a buying order, because it is available at a lower price, because anytime the stock will not keep going down. These are all very good rated stocks, top rated stocks, five star rated stocks, and these are very important. And again about bank nifty, so I want to share my view on bank nifty tomorrow. Tomorrow bank nifty should be opening around 300 to 400 points gap up, and the initial stages I think it will be sold into. However, if the gap up holds and if it is not sold into, there will be a rally of another 300 points. So there could be a, if the gap up is not sold into, and if the gap up holds for more than 1 hour or 2 hours, it could hit another 300 points on bank nifty. So keep that in mind. That is for intraday trading and not for positional trading. This is all positional, and these are stocks which you should hold for long time. If you are holding it for a short time, you might make a couple of percentage profit, but that is not wealth creation. That in that way you cannot convert your 2 lakhs to 50 lakh rupees. So if somebody is interested to convert 2 lakh and to 50 lakh rupees in 3 to 5 years, you can contact me on WhatsApp, and we can work together to see how it works, how I can help you, and how your money can grow to 2 lakhs can grow to 50 lakh rupees. And I am sure you can make big money if you select these kind of stocks. And I can help you with that also. So if you're liking the video, please subscribe. If you don't subscribe, this won't reach out to many people, and I'm putting a lot of efforts to do some research and all those things. And I think you should give me a like also for that, and kindly subscribe so that I will be you don't miss out on the next few new videos which I make on Multibaggers. And subscribe to the channel. If there is any promotional things, there will be a discount for people who subscribe immediately. That is for the first 1,000 people. So subscribe to my YouTube channel, which I will be posting this video on. And just like, share and comment. Share your comments so that it will help me in doing better videos. If this is not better, I can still correct myself. But since I'm a new person making this kind of videos, I might require some more time to make it a perfect video. So kindly support me and like my channel, and don't forget to come live, watch my live stream tomorrow. This is my channel, triple A trades. That is at the rate triple A trades 3633. So you kindly like the video, subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.